Introducing the StyleCraft Flex Professional Modular Trimmer. This powerful and versatile trimmer offers unmatched performance, customization options, and comfort. The StyleCraft Flex Professional Modular Trimmer is equipped with a super torque rotary motor that runs at 7,500 RPMs. This powerful motor allows barbers and stylists to achieve precision lines with ease. The Flex trimmer features a hypoallergenic gold titanium X Pro Classic fixed blade, suitable for sensitive skin, and the one black diamond-like carbon deep tooth moving blade with a black runner. The StyleCraft Flex Professional Modular Trimmer is powered by a lithium-ion battery that delivers a 3-hour cordless runtime. The Flex trimmer's unique combination of power, precision, customization options, and that crunchy blade allow barbers and stylists to deliver exceptional trims tailored to each client's individual needs. This level of personalization results in increased client satisfaction and loyalty, which in turn drives repeat business and positive word-of-mouth recommendations.